In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Xero. If you've ever wondered how to keep your records complete and organized by attaching relevant documents directly to your transactions, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and explore this simple yet powerful feature. To begin with, you'll find that attaching files to transactions in Xero can be done for most transaction types. This means greater flexibility, whether you're dealing with an invoice, a bill, or any other record that you need to keep track of. To start the process, navigate to the top right corner of your Xero dashboard. Look for a plus icon. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down list with various transaction types that you can record. Choose the one that suits your current needs. It could be an invoice, a bill, or any transaction type that you are presently working on. Selecting the correct transaction type is the first step in ensuring that all related files are filed in the right context within the system. Once you're in the editing field of the transaction you have chosen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different elements available. Depending on the version or layout of Xero you are using, you'll either see a file icon situated at the top or a Files button located at the bottom within the transaction fields. Both will enable you to proceed with attaching files, so feel assured that either option will work perfectly. Click on the icon or button, whichever your interface provides. Here, you'll be presented with several choices, among which you'll find the Upload option. By selecting Upload, you'll be guided to choose the specific file or files from your device that you wish to attach. Remember, these files could be anything from receipts, contracts, or any documentation that is pertinent to the transaction at hand. Once you've selected and confirmed the files you want to attach, Xero takes care of the rest, seamlessly integrating them into the transaction for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully attached files to your transaction, making your record keeping in Xero more comprehensive and easily accessible. This whole process is designed to be intuitive and efficient, enabling you to focus on the broader aspects of your financial management without getting bogged down by administrative details. It's particularly useful for maintaining an organized digital filing system that keeps everything you need in one place. So, in summary, attaching files in Xero is a straightforward task that can significantly streamline your documentation process. It's a small step with a big impact when it comes to staying organized and ensuring compliance. Thank you for joining me today to learn this practical feature. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Watch this space for more content that makes managing your financial processes easier. Until next time, have a great day managing your finances with Xero.